Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 2014 Mercury 200 horse Optimax. Excuse me there. It has 855 hours on it. This is a two-stroke engine. 130 PSI on all 6 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. It will be pictured. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the fuel system has been gone through. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cold. I'm still kind of out of it. On this side here, it is a little messed up on the cowlings. I am going to look for a uncracked one. I'll be checking around with some other dealers, see if I can come up with one. If not, that'll be what's on it. I will update the listing if I do put a new one on there. I'll go ahead and fire this engine up. It is a 20-inch long shaft. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it in forward. I cannot open this engine all the way up. It'll bust this tank in half. Back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral, go ahead and shut it off, fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great day.